Every day, your body produces waste that must be removed to keep you alive. Toxins build up, excess water needs to be controlled, and the balance of chemicals in your blood must be carefully maintained. If this process stops, harmful substances can quickly accumulate and damage your organs. This critical job is handled by the urinary system, one of the body's key systems for maintaining internal balance. So how does the urinary system actually work? The urinary system is responsible for filtering the blood, removing waste, and maintaining the body's fluid and chemical balance. It includes 4 main parts: the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are the most important organs in this system. You have 2 kidneys located on either side of your spine. Their main function is to filter blood and remove waste products, excess salts, and extra water. Inside each kidney are tiny filtering units called nephrons, which perform this filtration process. As blood passes through the kidneys, useful substances like glucose and certain ions are reabsorbed, while waste products such as urea and excess water are separated to form urine. This process helps maintain the body's internal balance, including fluid levels, electrolyte balance, and pH levels. Once urine is formed, it travels through thin tubes called the ureters to the bladder, where it is stored temporarily. The bladder expands as it fills and signals the brain when it is time to release urine. Finally, urine exits the body through the urethra. The urinary system also plays an important role in controlling blood pressure and producing certain hormones that help regulate red blood cell production and calcium balance. The understanding of how the urinary system works developed over time as scientists studied how the body removes waste and maintains chemical balance. When the urinary system does not function properly, it can lead to various conditions. For example, kidney stones can form when minerals crystallize in the kidneys, causing severe pain. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, occur when bacteria enter the urinary system. More serious conditions like kidney failure can occur when the kidneys lose their ability to filter blood effectively. Today, modern technology is helping improve the diagnosis and treatment of urinary system disorders. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze medical data, detect kidney diseases early, and monitor kidney function more accurately. These advancements are helping doctors provide better care and improve patient outcomes. The urinary system is essential for keeping the body clean and balanced. By filtering blood, removing waste, and regulating fluids, it ensures that your internal environment remains stable. Understanding how this system works helps us appreciate the importance of hydration, healthy habits, and early detection of potential problems.